Alright, time for the solutions for the equilateral triangle, regular hexagon, and square, all inscribed in a circle. So the main goal is you have a circle, and you're going to put a shape in it that touches the edge of the circle. And so this one we want to do an equilateral triangle. All these explanations, they're just me like drawing freehand on my little tablet here. If you want to see actually how it's done with the compass, go to the website, go under lessons, and there'll be a link there for equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle, and you can watch that. It's the same one we watched in class, and you can actually see the motions on the safety compass. So, but here I'm going to just kind of explain what you need to do. The first thing you do is draw yourself a diameter, and that's a line segment that goes from one side of the circle to the other and crosses through the center. Make sure it crosses through the center. It has to. The next thing you do is you're going to put compass on one of those ends of that diameter and figure out which hole gives you the center. And once you have it, draw yourself an arc that crosses your circle, both on either side of the diameter. And you've now made two intersection points, those two, and then the opposite one, as in that way, from those 2 points. Those three make the equilateral triangle. So if you connect those up, you're going to get a triangle that's equal lengths on all three sides. And the next one is a regular hexagon. To start that out, you're going to put a point on the edge, just actually put a point down, and then you're going to put your compass there, and then figure out which hole gives you the center. And once you do that, you can use that hole to draw yourself an arc in the side of your circle. And then you're going to put your compass there, and then using that same hole, or you can draw it from the center, draw the next arc to the right of it, and you're going to put your compass there, and then you keep doing this all the way around, and you're going to get 6 of those marks. And once you have that, you're going to connect where those arcs hit the edge of the circle together, and that will make you have a regular hexagon, and that just means all the sides are the same length. And my stylus is having a hard time with this. Okay. And I'll make a regular hexagon. And then the last one is a square inscribed in a circle. What you need to do is, again, start with a diameter. It's a segment that goes through both sides. Well, it goes from one side of the circle to the other, going through the center. And you're then going to now do a perpendicular bisector of the diameter. So that, if in case you forgot, you put your compass center on each end, and then picking a hole that goes more than halfway, draw an arc. And then go to the other side, using that same hole, draw a arc, and then you made 2 intersection points. Connect those up, it'll go through the center, it goes through both the intersections, and it's going to cross the edge of your circle to make 2 new intersection points. Those 2, and then the original 2 you started with, make the vertices of your square. You can draw that, and now you have a square inscribed in a circle. And it's great. And so here are my examples of equilateral triangles inscribed in a circle. There are 2 there. And then my other 2, notice like they all look the same. Well, they should, because they're all equilateral triangles inscribed in a circle, and it's the same construction. Here are my regular hexagons inscribed in circles. This one can be a little bit tricky. Notice here I was like off a little bit on these, so I had to do it. I did it again in hopes that they would match up a little bit better. It's really easy to be off on this one. And here are my squares inscribed in circles. Your arcs can cross inside, they can cross outside. Either is fine. When you draw the line, it'll go through the center and give you those 2 other points. And that is it.